Hey guys, want this AE text in CapCut?
No more uncontrolled chaos.
In today's video, I'll teach you how to do this in CapCut and get the cool AE effect. Follow my steps. Auto-generate captions first. Then choose your desired font and color. After doing so, go to Animations and Captions and select Fade In.
Like I let your father believe.
Make sure all text is selected. Then add shadow to your text accordingly.
Control is often unelusive. Like I let your father believe.
After this is done, you have to create every text into a compound clip separately. And add glow effect on each text.
No more uncontrolled chaos.
Now, we will add masking here for fade out effect. Select split and add a keyframe here. Copy this keyframe and change its position like I am doing it here, to get fade out effect.
No more uncontrolled chaos. Chaos. Chaos.
Now, for these keyframes, add cubic in or ease in graphs.
Chaos. Chaos. No more uncontrolled chaos.
And there, now we have our AE like glow text effect. For more tutorials, please subscribe and comment.